Hey guys, I'm Geetika. Welcome back, and today I'm going to show you what's inside in my makeup kit. The first thing I have in this mini makeup kit is this small makeup brush, and this is a simply my favorite hand cream, and this is a lip liner, a mini lip liner to outline my lips. And I like to keep things in mini versions as well. And this is a nail paint, a red nail paint, and this is original Vaseline petroleum jelly in order to moisturize or protect my skin barrier. And this is um, my cheek and lip blush, and this is SPF, and this is simply a mini perfume, and this is a clear lip gloss. And I love lip gloss. As you can see, this is clear, transparent, and in a mini version. And hope you like this video, and suggest me what should I do next, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.